What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer here. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. If you don't like this video, dislike it. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 things that booksellers should be doing during this time.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
During this time where everybody's staying at home, businesses are closed down, what are things you should be doing? What are skills you should be honing? How can you still keep a profitable book business? So thing number 1 is keep sourcing books on Facebook Marketplace. That's one thing you can do. You can also source books on Craigslist. This is still thing number 1. You can source books on Craigslist. You can also source books, what's another way? Online arbitrage. These are 3 skills right here. Just in tip number 1, guys, just in tip number 1, I gave you 3 skills. You could call them skills. They're kind of skills. You'll get better at them over time, but they're sourcing techniques. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, online arbitrage. Those are 3 ways of sourcing. You should be practicing those techniques. In the description below, I'll add videos where I break down those different techniques. But you should be focusing on keeping your sourcing game strong. Even if you can't source traditionally how you source, you can use those techniques, and you might find you like those techniques a lot more. That's thing number 1. Thing number 2, you should be trying to get as much free money from the government as possible. I said free money, not loan money. I did a whole video on getting the EIDL loan. That's a loan, but a grant came along with applying for the loan. There's tons of other grant opportunities out there, and I will also link those below. So guys, take advantage of the free money that is being offered to us right now by the government. The 3rd thing you can be doing, booksellers who do this get paid more. Business people who do this get paid more. Practice speaking. Talk more. Make videos of yourself. Become more persuasive. You're gonna have better business deals. You're gonna be able to get more books through backroom access. You're gonna be better at negotiate. I'm teaching you how to speak right now and I can't even speak myself. You're gonna get better at negotiating deals if you can speak persuasively. So, I mean, those are just 2 ways. You're gonna get more, if you're a dude, 90% of you guys are dudes that probably want to get laid, or half of you guys probably married, still probably want to get laid, right? You're going to be more persuasive in all these different ways, and it's going to help you out a lot in life. So, ways to practice speaking. You can do tongue twisters. So when you're in the shower, this is something I just started doing. Haven't been doing a lot of these lately, but just different tongue twisters. I need to practice it more. You can look up Roger Love voice exercises. He will help you get your voice stronger, better. People who have stronger voices that have more fluctuation, more tonality to it, they're more successful in life. So this isn't just limited to the book world, but as an Amazon seller, as a business person, as a human being on planet Earth, you are gonna want a strong voice. So those are 3 tips, guys. Keep your sourcing strong, get money from the government, or get money from, there's lots of other places you can get grant money from. They're all in that Forbes article below. And the last one is work on speaking. Those are things you can be doing during quarantine, guys. Focus on those things. If you guys want to step your book game up to the next level, my book course just came out this week. Currently, it is $297, and it's only going to go up in value from here. So if you guys are interested in getting that course, the link is below. Bookbizblueprint.com. I teach you the art of scaling a book business, the art of finding more sources. Anything cool that I find out goes into that course. It's a curated place for all my content. I also have a private Facebook group where I'm going to be very hands-on with everyone in that course. So as you guys know, I respond to most comments and in most Instagram DMs, but sometimes I get behind. I'm a human being. The Facebook group's coming first. So everyone that's in the Book Business Blueprint, I'm gonna be in there, hands-on, making videos for them, custom videos, uploading them to the course. It's going to be a good experience. So if you guys are interested in that, I would love to have you join me along this journey. Much love, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. Catch you in the next video.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the man.